Title: The feeling that something is missing. Schopenhauer had a name for it. You're familiar with it. Not sadness, not anxiety, not loneliness exactly. Just what do they lack? Just what is missing? You cannot name it. It can't be found. It's there, you know it is. A background hum, a quiet incompleteness, even when it's a good day present. Speak up when there is nothing amiss. You've attempted to repair it. New city, new relationship, new job, new face of you. Sometimes it fades. For a while, then it comes back, exactly as it was. Even as if you never left. Schopenhauer had a name for it. It is the basic state of affairs, he said, of human existence, not a symptom, not an issue to be resolved, the baseline. Sitting in a restful position, trying to access the general, just reaching, an ache for which there is no home, a hunger without food. Most of the people spend, he said, their entire lives trying to fill this feeling with content. Relationships, achievements, experiences, possessions, beliefs, identities, and the feeling consumes it all, every time. Without satisfaction, without closing, not because they made the wrong selections, as the sensation was never a difficult or unpleasant situation that needs to be addressed or resolved. It is the sound that the will makes when it's just living. Schopenhauer was no Schopenhauer. This not to make you sad. He said this to set you free. When you give up on trying to remedy the impression, do not consider this a proof that there's something in your life is wrong. It ceases to have any effect on you. It is still there. It will be ever present, but it is not a sentence, just a reminder that you are human, that you are alive, that the will within you is doing exactly what it is intended to do. And you, for once, do not have to obey it anywhere. Subscribe to Schopenhauer Lens, because clarity is its own kind of peace.